Hello everyone, Chief Meteorologist Christy Henderson here. Wanted to give you an update on the rain and thunderstorms that are making their way through the Western Carolinas right now, and kind of let you know what to expect over the next several hours as the weather starts to turn south for some folks that have had a quiet start to the day. Hey Travis, hi Cam, hope y'all are having a good afternoon so far. We'll get started with some graphics. So we'll show you that the National Weather Service at the Storm Prediction Center has put us in a slight risk or scattered severe possible for the upstate, especially south of 85, isolated severe possible in the northern upstate and on into western North Carolina. So yesterday, all of our area was in this area of yellow. They took it away and then they replaced it because we've had a chance to warm up around the upstate, you know, with some sunshine this morning and of course lots of humidity to go along with that. Hey Kim, hi Sarah. Down to the southwest where the best chance for severe storms are today, so from southern Mississippi into Alabama. All right, right now no watches in effect until you get into Georgia down towards the metro Atlanta area where a severe thunderstorm watch is in effect. But again, we've got a chance of some severe storms right here at home. I'll zoom in and give you a tour, try to catch some of your questions. I know everyone wants to know about their location, so I'll do the best I can. We'll start with the heaviest weather, and then I'll do a general tour. In northwestern Cherokee County, we've got some strong thunderstorms that are working eastward, moving in general east-northeast at about 30 to 40 miles per hour. So it'll make its way over towards Gaffney within the next 20 minutes or so. Probably already hearing the thunder ahead of that line of heavy rain and gusty winds in and around these storms. Boiling Springs in the thick of it right now, same for Duncan. No warnings out for these yet. We'll continue to watch them. There's a better chance of a severe thunderstorm warning today versus a tornado warning, but the threat of a tornado is not zero. So right now we're looking at mainly a threat of gusty, straight line winds in and around these storms. And again, right now there's nothing severe, but there are definitely strong storms in Spartanburg County. That stretches into Greenville County, and they get a little spottier storms here in the southern portion of the county, south of Malden, 385 around Simpsonville, seeing some heavy rain, very heavy rain occurring right now over the National Weather Service office in Greer, where the radar is located. And then, downtown Greenville, light to moderate rain, and through here, some cloud to ground lightning near Taylor's, and that heads up 101 towards Blue Ridge and Highland. Hey, Ms. Wood. Hello to all the students at Rainbow Lake. I know everybody's interested in what the weather's doing right now. My daughter actually just texted me and wanted to make sure there was no warning out because it's raining so hard. And you can see all of this that's covering northwest Cherokee County, across Spartanburg County, into Greenville County. So much of Greenville County in the rain right now. It gets really spotty once you get over towards Anderson County. I'll put this into motion and you can see how the individual cells are moving. They're mainly going northeast and they're moving fairly rapidly at about 40 miles per hour. Down into Abbeville, Greenwood counties. We've got a few spotty showers here in northern Abbeville County. Back into Elbert County, we've had a few showers so far. And by the way, the National Weather Service has completed their survey in Elberton. Very short-lived tornado occurred yesterday it was an EF1 and had winds of, I believe, 105 miles per hour. So that was what we dealt with yesterday. Taking a little farther north into Oconee County, Pickens County, you can see that it's quite active here as well with a lot of lightning. So a lot of thunder with this. Heavy rain showers are going to help water to pond on roads. So driving is going to become a little more difficult with this moving through. And then up into western North Carolina, the rain is more widespread. Heavier rain in Bryson City, northern Macon County, and then into Rabun County, Georgia. So into Oconee County around Walhalla, heavy rain occurring here. And if I back this up and move it forward, you can see that there are more thunderstorms to your west that will make their way through. Around Clemson, similar story. You've got some thunderstorms in the area and more rain out west that will move your way. Let's see. So this is going to be kind of our threat that we see this afternoon. And it should, if the timing stays the same, be exiting our area by about 5 o'clock this evening. So if you live or are around I-85 right now, especially down into Anderson County, it's fairly quiet right now, but expect the weather to kind of get worse over the next hour. And in Spartanburg, matter of fact, in the city, the rain is light to moderate, but getting heavy in a hurry. And all of this is going to continue to kind of push. The line is moving southeastward, but the individual cells are moving northeast. So you can kind of see the pace on that as that activity works closer to Gaffney, into Spartanburg, over towards Pacolet, in the direction of Pauline. Rain will increase in Reedville as well. As far as what you can expect from these storms, right now we can expect gusty winds in and around these storms. You can expect some very heavy rain to where, and this is how it is right now in 85 in Spartanburg County, probably tough to see because this is torrential rainfall coming down. It's not going to last for too long, but for the time being, if you can stay put before you hit the interstate, it might be a good idea. Let that rain get south of the interstate and it'll improve as far as the visibility goes. May get some pea-sized hail in some of the stronger storms, but we have not had any reports of hail so far. So may looking at heavy rain and also gusty winds with these storms. And of course, we're on the lookout for any storms that are able to gain additional energy, which is entirely possible in Anderson, Abbeville, Greenwood, and Lawrence, and Union, because you folks are still looking at quiet weather where temperatures are nice and warm, and that's just going to give these storms some energy once they move that way. All right, hey, Jerlyn, Thomas, John, Alvin, hope y'all are doing well. Hey, Mary Page. Here's the look at the temperature here. The rain has cooled Spartanburg down to 67, 72 in Gaffney, but we're in the 80s in Union, Lawrence, Greenwood. So these areas still have a lot of untapped energy, and that's where we could see a few thunderstorms gaining some strength once they are able to sink a little farther south. Here's the big picture. Line of thunderstorms from West Virginia back through the metro Atlanta area, flash flood warnings and severe thunderstorm warnings into Alabama, and then a separate line of severe thunderstorms in Louisiana. And that's ahead of our front. That front will move through the Western Carolinas tomorrow morning into the afternoon. I'll show you the 7-day and then I'll go back to the radar because I know that's why y'all are here, but I wanted to show you that we could see a few showers early on Wednesday. Southern counties could see an isolated shower in the afternoon, depends on how fast that front gets out of here, but we're nice and cool Thursday morning. Beautiful weather for the end of the week. Mother's Day weekend, 70s and 80s, no rain in the forecast until we get into Monday. So once we get past this stretch this afternoon, most of us are in good shape. Similar story for the mountains, nice and cool, 60s for the high Thursday and Friday. All right, so let me go back to the tight radar, show you what's going on. For folks that have just joined us, sorry, I'm scrolling through here. There we go. Nicole, tomorrow for Lawrence, I would say that with the front in the area, you may have a shower, but we're not looking for anything like what we're seeing today or what we saw yesterday. So for now, we're on the lookout for the potential for any severe thunderstorms that may try to develop from this line that we have right now. And let me see here. The heaviest activity is in Cherokee County, pushing closer to Gaffney. It is not severe right now, but the winds are gusty, the rain is heavy, a lot of thunder and lightning with that, so that makes it dangerous right there. Into Spartanburg, downtown area, fairly quiet, but rain is on the increase. It's going to get heavier. Really tough driving right now on I-85 through Greer. Some heavy rain throughout Greenville County. It gets a little spottier and you get into Anderson County, more widespread from Pickens and Easley back towards Westminster and Walhalla. So definitely some strong thunderstorms out there. Right now, nothing severe, but the potential is there. And with temperatures that have warmed into the 80s in these counties that are not seeing a lot of rain right now, you need to be on the lookout for the chance for some of these storms to gain some extra energy when they get down to where you are. So looks like this line is going to try to move out of the area by early evening, around 5 o'clock if the timing stays the same. And after that point, conditions quiet down. We keep an isolated shower chance overnight, but not looking for any severe weather. And then as our cold front comes in and through the area tomorrow, depending on how fast it moves in and through, we could see a few showers popping up along that front over our eastern or southern counties. So Union County, Newberry, down towards Greenwood, you might have a shower bubble up. But I think this is going to be our last chance of any real severe weather. So some good news there. Hey, Kayla, Tracy, Kelsey, Thanks for checking in with me. I just want to give you an update on what's going on. To sum it up, right now, no warnings. A few warnings are possible this afternoon. So keep up with the weather. Make sure you have that 7 Weather app, and we'll keep you posted. Y'all be safe, and we'll see you soon.